we will be try trying to understand the planets in astrology, like from past few years. Like before also this used to happen, that planets are going into retrograde, or they are into transition, or whatsoever it is, from here to there and all. But we weren't so alert. But from past 2 3 years, or 1 to 2 year, this has been a lot focused on. And whenever you we come across this, what happens is we get tensed also, that what will happen, what will happen. But if this is happening, there is some reasons, like even those planets have some or the other intention to do this, right? Even they have something, like why are they doing such things, right? Isn't it? Tarot being a universal tool for me, and even planets are the same. Let's find out from tarot what these planets are trying to tell us, why they do changes in themselves in this way. So the very first card is, okay, beautiful card. So at times, planets make these necessary changes in your life so that you learn to stay grounded, so that you learn to be secured with any of your life. Maybe for some of them, with respect to their money. For if you have money, if you have that status and fame and everything, then still you need to be grounded. For that purpose, maybe some planets will change accordingly. This is what I'm getting over here. Second card is this. At times, these planets also teach us that have some control on your thoughts, on your actions. Else, this is what will happen. That is, you will only fall. You will only fail. Not fail as such, but you will fall. You will get nothing out of it. Just mess, mess, and mess. The second thing. Okay, wow. So at times, some stuffs also happen, some changes in this planetary positions also happen, so that some people understand that they are such good manifestors. Like whenever these changes come, a lot of them will get tense, they will start thinking negative, and those stuff starts happening. So that you understand that your mind is magical, your mind has such a power, so have control on your mind. For that also these changes take place. At times, if something is ending in your life, doesn't mean that everything is ending. Something else is also starting, and you need to make a new start, so that you learn this. And that is why this planetary, especially they go into retrograde, or even that transition thing, be it anything. This is also what they are trying to convey us. Focus on what you have instead of what has gone. For that also something, some stuffs happen in life. Thank